On a construction site, every dollar counts, and choosing the right equipment can make or break your bottom line.
The reason you want to buy used equipment is because you could buy 3 machines for the cost of 1. This gives you threefold the return on your investment, and it's a no-brainer for a rental house or a contractor, and it lowers your debt service. There's a 179 clause in the IRS that allows you to write this off 100% over the duration of your loan. It gives you tax credit, and you could take this right off the top of your balance sheet, the depreciation.
From lifts to loaders, generators to compressors, Equipment Services LLC is known across the tri-state area for providing reliable, premium pre-owned equipment, all backed by a service that goes the extra mile.
Our goal was to create a quality product. We've been in this business since the 80s. No one was representing their equipment and standing behind it. There was no one doing reconditioning to the extent we do it other than the factory. We have such faith in our work and ability to do a complete job up to OEM specs that we offer this warranty, and we can give you an extended warranty for the whole length of the loan as well. We stand behind our equipment because we're looking for customer satisfaction. The safety and reliability of boom is probably the most important aspect of what we do. We're putting people up in the air. There's all kinds of dangers. The technology end of the equipment has drastically changed. It's more computer driven than ever. The prices of the equipment has drastically changed, and that's where we come into creating tremendous value at a wholesale price. There's no end to where we can find equipment. We're at every auction. We do a lot of trade-ins and bartering. We're looking for the integrity of the machine. A 60-point inspection that's going to tell us exactly the parts and the labor we have to put into on our equipment.
What you see isn't always what you get with anything that's advertised out there. People assume the equipment will be everything they hope it is before they buy it, once they receive it, and they can be let down. We're here to make sure you're not. Our reconditioned equipment is, we'd like to think, as good as new equipment, and you have the people here, a whole team of us standing behind it. So you came in, you're looking for a Genie telehandler that we had advertised. If it's everything you thought it would be, great. If it's not, we have one similar in a JLG over here. You can take a look at that. If it has the wrong fork or carriage, if it doesn't have the cab, we can add the cab. Whatever it is you might need, we can cater it to your need. There's probably 200 pieces outside this window right now, and then there's other equipment outside of here that we bring in if it's outside of our core wheelhouse, as we say. Industrial forklifts and whatnot.
Mike and his team know that time is money, and their customers don't have time for breakdowns.
Our customer relationships are really simple. I want to treat our customers though I want to be treated myself. I think it's very important that we put the customer on a pedestal. Without this customer, any customer, we have no business even being here. We make sure that we meet the standard of this machine when it was new. The most important thing is the safety and the integrity of the machine. ANSI is the jurisdiction of safety that the American National Safety Institution. The ANSI will be filled out by us by a certified mechanic, and that's your warranty from us that this meets standards of safety.
Each machine goes through a rigorous inspection process, and nothing leaves the yard unless it passes.
When we receive a piece of machinery that comes in, it will come in and get assessed, number one, for safety, after which machine is deemed safe structurally and sound. It will get a full mechanical inspection. Cosmetically, we will then look at the machine, see what it needs as far as restoration and body and paint, and the final product is what you see on the front line. Once that quality control check is finished, it will then go to a further step where it will receive a pre-delivery inspection before it leaves the facility. Anything from the tires to the top of the boom. There's a lot of components that make these machines up, and we have to check every component to make sure it's safe, efficient, and ready for our customers' use. Our service to produce a machine that our customers cannot be down, so we have to give them a proper machine that they can stay operating with no downtime.
When you're looking for a piece of any of the equipment, the aerial lifts have the annual inspection report. Per the manufacturer's guidelines, we make sure these pieces meet those safety standards as laid out by JLG, Genie, and all the other manufacturers. The telehandlers have complete service, and yes, they have to be safe as well, but on different guidelines. We make sure they meet them all. And once you receive it, you can take it straight to a job site, and the OSHA inspector shouldn't find a problem with it. We have to educate our customers as to a feature and option that might be available that could help their need. If you need a wider carriage, longer forks, we have it.
Ready to stretch your budget and get the equipment you need without compromise? Equipment Services can help.
We've been dealing with equipment services since 2015. We have not just bought the machinery, but we also have been able to service household equipment, which is over 20 pieces of equipment. They are reliable and they're always willing to go for the extra mile.
You want to buy used equipment because obviously we're trying to save money by going used versus new. We offer the warranty right off the bat for a month. If you wanted it for 6 months, a year, 5 years, we can cater it to your need. No matter where you're located with the equipment we sent you, we have resources for service. There is no problem we've encountered we couldn't fix.
We stand behind our used equipment because we know exactly what we're selling you. We're unique in regards to the amount of inventory we have. Also, we try to fulfill a niche in the business and try to make sure our shelves are full of that type of equipment. And we have over 300 machines on this facility at every given day. Equipment Services is foremost a repair facility. We are a rental company as well. People are just coming in looking to rent equipment, and we're open for business and we're looking for that business. We're so thankful to our customers for all you've done for us. And we want to continue to earn your business. And if there's anything we could do to help you, we're here for you.
To learn more about Equipment Services LLC, visit their website, eqsllc.com, or see this segment again on InsideTheBlueprint.com.